1959 Chevy El Camino. Never seen one like this. That has like a full-size pickup bed, you know? It's not a short box.
No. That's cool.
That is the most unique car I've seen in a long time. 18,000 actual miles on it. That's it.
Are you serious?
Good how the interior is all gray, dude.
Okay, they're underneath the tank all the way over there.
Yeah, only 18,000 actual miles on it. It's a brand new car. Open.
These cars going at this puppy show.
What's up, guys? Hi, baby. And you got a new one.
Oh.
It's a Camino. I was wrong. Not surprising, I usually am. 1967 Chevy El Camino.
67? El Camino. El Camino, Ranchero, and then earlier in this show we saw the Cadillac that we thought was like an old El Camino or Ranchero, which that was a cool Cadillac.
Yeah, it was the one that was converted by that Hearst company into a El Camino
flower
XL.
car. They called it a flower car, and it was mostly used by funeral homes. But you heard that earlier.
1972 Chevy El Camino SS. Yeah, isn't that cool? Black on gray. Gray on black, I should say. '71 Chevy El Camino. It's from York, my hometown.
I recognize this one too. Now I'm just going to be getting a lot of
Camino. I think those racing stripes were painted on. They were.
The what?
The racing stripes were painted on. See? It's a truck.
Hey, what's up?
Nope.
I've had 4 of them. I love El Camino.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
What about the Ranchero?
I had one Ranchero, and I had one Falcon station wagon that we almost cut into a Ranchero because that's how they made them, was out of station.
Oh, really? Wow. That's awesome.
That dude just right there and drops buckets of knowledge.
Right? A
Or
working
nuggets.
truck.
It's a working truck. The only trailer it sees is
It's
the
a
one it's hauling.
daily driver, too. What happened there?
What is that?
Is that where the exhaust was and they capped it?
Yeah,
And then they moved it back here?
I guess. I don't think the exhaust was stock up there.
No.
The Vietnam veteran.
Yep.
Look at that.
1971 Chevy El Camino.
That's badass looking.
Mm-hmm.
That's mean looking though. Those big tires in the back.
I like it.